This will always be my favorite show.
Why hold a singing competition? No one can sing better than I do.
No! What happened to my TV? My favorite show was about to start.